Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix red calculator icons instead of yellow on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1. Turn off increase contrast. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Turn off increase contrast if it's on. Now go to calculator app and check if the red is going or not. If turning off increase contrast is help for you, you can only turn it off for calculator. Tap on setting app. Scroll up. Tap on accessibility. Scroll up. Find and tap on per app settings. Here tap on add app. Search calculator. In search bar, type calculator and tap it. Now tap calculator, tap on increase construct, select off and confirm this action and go back. How to fix red calculator icons instead of yellow on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.